In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Outlook to n8n. Imagine the convenience of automating your emails and managing them seamlessly. It's like having a personal assistant for your inbox. So, let's dive right into it. We'll start by creating a new workflow in n8n. Once you're logged into your n8n account, you'll want to navigate to the New Workflow option. This is the foundation of your integration, and it's basically your blank canvas where you can create the sophisticated automation processes that you'll be using. Visualize it as your control hub, where all your ideas come to fruition. Next, we'll move on to adding a node, which is essentially a building block of any workflow in n8n. This allows you to bring in different services or functionalities. You'll find an Add Node button on your workflow interface. So go ahead and click that. This step unlocks a multitude of possibilities within your workflow, allowing you to expand its capabilities by integrating with other applications. It's like assembling a puzzle, where each piece plays a crucial role in completing the picture. Now comes the fun part, searching for Microsoft Outlook. In the search bar, type in Microsoft Outlook. This will bring up the Outlook node. Each node represents a versatile tool in your toolkit, empowering you to tweak your workflow exactly the way you need it. It's important to remember that n8n provides a vast library of nodes for various applications, but for this video, we're focusing on Microsoft Outlook. When you locate the Microsoft Outlook node in the search results, go ahead and select it. This will basically add the node to your workflow canvas. At this point, it's like you've planted a seed. This is the starting point of your Outlook integration journey, and from here, a whole host of configurations and possibilities will spring forth. As you select this node, feel a sense of excitement because you're now ready to connect and automate your email processes like never before. And that's it. You've just added a Microsoft Outlook node to your workflow. After this, you'll need to configure it according to your specific needs, logging in with your Outlook credentials and selecting the different functionalities like sending emails or accessing your inbox. Consider this the grand finale, where you'll see all your hard work come together, making email management easier and saving you precious time. In today's video, we've taken those key first steps to linking Outlook to n8n. This process will serve as a stepping stone towards a more automated, stress-free life. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive deeper into configuring the node and setting up those integrations in detail. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy automating.